Get ready to target your arms, abs, oblique, and thighs with this warrior pose with resistance. You're going to need a resistance band and a door anchor. You can add this dynamic yoga pose to any workout to get leaner and stronger, and it's right out of our Class Pass at Home workout series. Let's get started. You're going to want to have a light to a medium band. We're going to be at your door height and a doorknob height. You're going to want to start off with one handle. We're going to go into a warrior pose, and we're going to reach out. So hold over your delt while you reach out into tricep extension, resisting rotation, okay? So, here we go. My left hip is to the wall. I'm going to lunge out, pointing my toe. Lean into that lunge. Elbows up high, and extend out. Breathe. Putting my weight on that right leg. Resisting the twist. Extending out. Bend out. So like to my chin, extend out. Hold it. Come back slow. Resist the twist. Come back. Switch hands. Right shoulders to the wall. Left hips to the wall. Gonna turn out my left. Lunge out into it. Lean into that lunge. My right leg straight, elbows up high. Tighten those abs. Extend. Push that weight onto my left leg. My right leg is straight. My elbow stays high. Three, come back slow. 2, 1. Nice and easy bend. Resisting that twist, coming back up. Awesome. We appreciate your likes. Would love to hear your comments. And don't forget to subscribe.